Okay, baby, you ready to try some carrots? You want some yum carrots for the first time? Okay, let's see. You ready? Open up. Open up. What do you think of carrots? You do? You like them? Okay. Take a bite. Open up. Mmm. Is that a funny taste? Okay. Okay, you want carrots? Open up. Open up, baby doll. Mmm. You're not sure of that? I like carrots, they're good. Can be a bunny rabbit. Bunny rabbits eat carrots. Mmm. You like them? Okay, good. Good. One more? I told you you would like carrots. They're good. You like carrots, baby? Maya likes her carrots. Hmm? What do you think? Yes? Ooh. Pretty good, huh? Yeah. Have some more? Yummy. We're making a mess on Maya's face. Again? Oh, those are tasty, huh, baby? Like your carrots, sweetheart? Do you want more carrots? That's good? They're good. See, I told you you'd like your carrots. I told you. Okay, again. Such a good little eater. Such a good little eater. Okay. Give me a spoon back. You have a little carrot mustache. A carrot mustache. You want some more? You say yes, please? Say yes, please? Say yes, please? Use your teeth. Are you gonna help? You gonna help? You wanna do it yourself? Okay, now we get some more. Okay. Mmm, tasty, huh? Maya, you did a good job with your carrots. Okay, little carrot face. Say, I love carrots. Say, I love carrots. You can say, I love carrots. But if I tickle you, can you say, I love carrots? If I tickle you, will you say, I love carrots? If I tickle Maya, tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle monster. I love you, baby. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Give the camera a kissy. Say bye, I love you.